Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the Subway Chipotle Steak and Guac grilled wrap. So I didn't even know that Subway made wraps, let alone grilled wraps. So this is a first for me, and I love guacamole and I love steak, so it's kind of cool to see a flavor like this, like a sub like a pita wrap, grilled wrap like this. So it has a decent bit of steak on it. I got shredded cheese and the guacamole. It's supposed to be Chipotle in some way. I'm not sure how. Maybe the steak's got a flavor to it, or I was supposed to get some type of sauce, but I didn't get any sauce on it. And for vegetables, I got spinach, lettuce, green pepper, red onion, jalapeno peppers, and banana peppers. So it's a lot of stuff up in this. It smells really good too, so we'll get right into this. It was all veg. The wrap tastes good though. All veg though. There we go. Guacamole and steak go very well together. It's got a lot of flavor. It tastes like Subway, but not in the sense that you get the Subway bread, because obviously there's no Subway bread in this. It still has that classic Subway like seasoning and flavor taste. It was really good. So the steak has got a lot of flavor to it. I'm not sure if I taste Chipotle, but it does taste delicious, so it is that going for it. There's a lot of veggies in this, and without the bread, it kind of, the ratio is different because there's less bread. So the carb to protein to vegetable ratio is off, but I like it. It tastes a lot like wraps I make myself, or if I go to a place and get a pita, very similar to this, because the thinner wrap, but you're still getting all that protein and veggie in it, so it's really good. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review. So the steak here is the shining star. It's the best part of this. And the guacamole, you get one scoop of it spread across the tortilla, and it's good. Whenever you get a bite of it, it kind of meshes well with the other flavors in it, especially the steak. I think those two things go very well together. So yeah, I would give the steak and guac, Chipotle steak and guac grilled wrap, an 8.5 out of 10. I like it so much because the steak is good. It kind of pairs all well together. Like the guacamole has a good taste and it kind of spreads throughout this wrap. Everything about it is pretty delicious. So 8.5 for this Chipotle grilled wrap. Chipotle steak guacamole grilled wrap. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.